Yo, it's finally here. So what I have here is the Z1 Y pipe. I've been running the ISR Y pipe for what, 3 years? So I was trying to do a little something different. Even though I got the Y pipe currently cut into an X pipe, I'm actually thinking about going to a single exit. So I'm excited to get ready to put this on, so I'm gonna get started. So I got my old exhaust out. This is what I was running underneath my car. The wells look like crap. And yeah, I mean, that's pretty much trash. I have these flanges on here. They're horrible. So, not wanting to do this again. That was the X pipe and now I saw our Y pipe. Now, I'm going to put on the new Y pipe. Alright, so this will be the first cold startup since I put it on last night. I am so drained. I didn't go to bed till 3 and I got up at 7. So, what a crazy night. Alright, I'm going to put it here and get her start up. Make sure there's no exhaust leak. If so, I have to check out the car again. So, sounded a lot better. Sound really good. And what I'm gonna do before I head off to work is I'm gonna tuck this under, because I know a lot of air gets trapped behind this that hangs a little bit. So I'm gonna tuck this bumper up in the middle. All right, guys. I'm gonna see what else. I'm gonna do some drives and see how I like it. But the Z1 Y pipe is doing superb. All right, everybody, I'm back. It's been a couple of days. I've been trying to take care of a lot of stuff. I just stopped vlogging. But so far, I have, as y'all saw, I did a Z1 Y pipe. And then also I bought the Rev 9 single exit. I thought I bought the ISR single exit exhaust, but apparently, right when it came in, I realized, I re-looked at the order, because I was just too excited to try to go for something different, go with the single exit, and then after that, I went ahead and bought it. Got here, looked at it, realized, crap. So I have the single exit, and I actually really love it. It sounds good, as y'all saw in the last clip. It really sounds good. No complaints at all. A little bit of fitment issues, but it still does its job. Not rattling. The only thing that happened was my middle hanger right in the middle, towards the mid, kind of snapped. Sucks. Zip tied it back up to keep it in place. I'm going to get it welded, but right now I'm just not going to mess with it. But as you can see right here, this is my old exhaust from that previous night. So I don't know what I'm gonna do with it. I'm thinking about probably selling it somewhat of a way, or get rid of it in general. I don't need it anymore. I'm gonna stick with this. And I also have my old ones as well. So yeah, so I'm gonna run to Advanced Auto Store and I'm gonna go pick up some zip ties. There's something I wanna go ahead and install in my car. And you'll probably hear all that noise in the background. But yes, I went ahead and ordered me a toe strap for the back, because the back does kind of look different, especially with the single exit. It looks completely different. The other side looks like it's just missing something. So I went ahead and got this. I couldn't find a blue that perfectly matches my other blue, so I know it's gonna be off, but oh well. I just know if I did black, you probably wouldn't see it as well. But we're gonna try it out. If so, I might just do black just to see how it looks. Go from there. All right, let's go ahead and get this car started. people are driving down this damn street. Alright, let's get her started back up. Got my zip ties. Go ahead and put this on. Get back to the house. Still not using no AC, I'm using Windows. Alright, let's get back. Let's see, that looks good. Even for looks, man. I'm just holding this for looks. Not going to use it for actual like towing purposes or anything like that. But yeah, I think it looks good, even though it's not a Nismo. Looks a lot better though. And then this, something else I just added. Looks like I said, the blue's a little off, but I mean, I did my headlights first and not even think about all the different types of stuff, but it is what it is. All right, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end the video off here. Hope y'all like it. Subscribe to the channel, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. If you're new to the channel, just go ahead and stop by, hit the like button. But again, if you don't, thanks for stopping by. Until next time, guys, peace.